students. Now today we will continue chapter 6. Okay, so for that take out your maths book and come to page number 73, exercise 6.4. Up to 6.3 we have already done in our previous class. Today we are going to do exercise 6.4. So in exercise 6.4, first question is subtract the following. So we have to subtract these questions. Number 1. Okay, our first question is 128 minus 76. So we have to subtract 128 from 76. So here, look here, the first number is 3 digit, but second number is 2 digit, right? So we have to subtract 3 digit from 2 digit. Now first we will subtract the ones place. So here at the top we have 8 and in down we have 6. So 8 is bigger than 6, that means we don't need to carry 1, right? So subtract 8 from 6. What comes after 6? 7, 8. So the answer is 2. Now we will do the tens place. So here in tens place, at the top we have 2 and down we have 7. So which one is bigger, 2 or 7? 7 is bigger, right? But it is at the down. So what we have to do, we can't subtract a smaller number from bigger number. So we have to make this 2 a bigger number, right? So for that what we have to do, we have to carry 1. And when you carry 1, 2 becomes 12. So now you can subtract 12 from 7. So what comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 5. Now this carry 1 will come to 100 plus, and at the top we have to subtract this number with the carry 1. So when you subtract 1 from 1, what will be the answer? 0. So that means nothing. 0, and here is nothing, that means 0. Okay, so in this way you have to do this sum. This is question number 1. Now I will show you another question, that is question number 5. Okay, now look here, we have 3 digit at the top, 3 digit number, and in the down also we have 3 digit number. So we have to subtract 3 digit from 3 digit. So first number is 510 and we have to subtract 510 from 376. So first what we have to check? We have to check the ones place. So here in ones place, at the top we have which number? 0. But at the down we have which number? 6. So 6 is bigger than 0, right? So what we have to do now? We have to make this 0 a bigger number by borrowing what? 1. When you carry 1 with the number, this smaller number became the bigger number. So 0 became 10, right? So now we can subtract these two numbers. So when you what will be the answer if you subtract 10 from 6? After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4. So right here 4, you have carry 1, so it will go here, and and we have to subtract this carry 1 from this number. So when we subtract 1 from 1, we will get the answer 0, right? but at the down we have 7, so 7 is bigger, 0 is smaller, so what we have to do, we have to take carry 1 again, so 0 becomes 10. So now we can subtract 10 from 7. So what comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 3. Now this carry 1 will subtract from this number 5. So when you subtract 5 from 1, what will be the answer? 4. Now we have to subtract this 2. 100 plus 4 minus 3. So what comes after 3? 4. That means 1. So the answer is 134. In this way you have to do these sums. So I have shown you 2 sums and rest of the 2 sums is your homework. Okay, now we will do exercise 6.5. The first question is compare the numbers and subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So there are 2 numbers, you have to compare those numbers and you have to subtract smaller number from greater number. Okay, so first question is 825, 324. Okay, so now first we have to compare these 2 numbers, which one is greater than which number. So look at the first digit. Here we have 3 digit, here also we have 3 digit. In the first we have, in this side we have 8 and in this side we have 3. So which one is bigger, 8 or 3? 8, right? So that means 825 is greater than 324. So you have to put which one is greater than sign, this one or this one. This one is the greater than sign and this one is the less than sign and this one is the equals to sign. So we have to put the greater than sign here. Now what we have to do, question is compare the numbers and we have compared both the numbers. Then what we have to do, add, subtract and subtract the smaller numbers from the greater numbers. So now we have to subtract the smaller number from smaller number with the greater number. Okay, now we have to put the bigger number at the top, then we have to subtract that number with the smaller number. Okay, so this is the bigger number, so write there this number at the top, then we are doing subtraction, so put the subtraction sign, then put this number 324. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract these numbers. Okay, so first we have to look the ones place. So 5 here and in the down, at the top we have 5 and in the down we have 4. So the 5 is bigger than 4, then no need to carry. So what we will do, we now can subtract these numbers without using any carry. So what comes after 4? 5. That means 1. Now here we have 2, in the down also we have 2. So both the numbers are same. When both the numbers are same, in subtraction it becomes 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. Suppose you have 2 balls. From the 2 ball you give this 2 balls to your sister. So when you give these 2 balls to your sister, how many balls left with you? Nothing. That means 0. This is okay. Now next is, now we will look at the 100 place. There we have 8 at the top and 3 at the down. So 3 is smaller than 8, then here also we don't need to carry. So 8 minus 3 is, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. So the answer is 501. Okay. So this is question number A. Now we will do question number B. $435 $632. Now look here. Again we have 3-digit number in both the sides. Now we have to compare these two numbers and find out which is it a bigger greater than number or less than number or equals to number. Okay, so here we have, on this side we have 435 and in this side we have 632. So first check the 100 place. Here we have 4 and in this side we have 6. So which one is bigger, 4 or 6? 6 is bigger. That means 632 is bigger than 435, right? So this one is smaller than this is the smallest number than this one. That means which sign we have to put? We have to put the less than sign. 435 is less than 632. Now what we have to do? We have to add these numbers. First write the biggest number at the top. Then put the subtraction sign, then write the smallest number here in this way. Now what you have to do? You have to check the ones place. Now here we have 2 and at the top and down we have 5. So 5 is greater than 2. That means we have to take the carry. So when you take the carry, 2 becomes 12. Now we have to subtract from 12 from 5. So what comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7. So the answer is 7. Now this carry we have to subtract with this number, tens place for this number 3. So when you subtract 3 from 1, what will be the answer? 2. So here we have 2, but in down we have 3. So 3 is bigger than 2. That means we have to take carry again. So when you take carry again, it becomes 2 becomes 12. Okay, now subtract 12 from 3. What comes after 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9. So the answer is 9. Now this carry will go here and we have to subtract 6 from 1. So when you subtract 6 from 1, it becomes 5, right? So here we have 5 and in down we have 4. So it is okay, we don't need to carry again because 5 is bigger than 4. So what comes after 4? 5. That means 1. So the answer is 197. So in this way you have to do question number C. Question number 1C is your homework. Now we will do question number 2. Okay, now question number 2, compare and put greater than, less than or less than, greater than or equals to sign in the circle. Okay, so there are some numbers, you have to compare them and then you have to put this sign. So question number 2A, 786 minus 398, 602 minus 307. So here we have 786 minus 398 and in this side we have 602 minus 307. So what we have to do? We have to subtract these two numbers, this one and this one. Okay, then we have to compare the whatever the total we have got from this and this, we have to compare those numbers, then we have to put the sign. Now this is a 3-digit number and this is also a 3-digit number. That means we have to write H2O. Which one is bigger number? This one. First number is this one. This number we have to write at the top, then use this sign, then we have to write this number 398. Now we have to check the ones place. Here in ones place, at the top we have 6 and in the down we have 8. So 8 is bigger than 6, so we have to take carry. So when you take carry, 6 becomes 16. Now subtract 16 from 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 8. Now this carry will we have to subtract with this 8. So when you subtract 8 from 1, it becomes 7, right? So here we have 7 in tens place at the top, but in the down we have 9. So 9 is bigger than 7. So again we have to take carry. So when you take carry, 7 becomes 17. Now after 9, we have to subtract 17 from 9. What comes after 9? 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Again we got the answer 8. Now this carry will shift here and we have to subtract 7 from 1. When you subtract 7 from 1, it becomes 6. Now at 100 place, at the top we have 6, but in down we have 3. Now 6 is bigger than 3. No, that means we don't need to carry again. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so here we have 388. Now we will solve this sum. So again here we have 3-digit number, and both the numbers are 3-digit numbers, so we have to write H2O. Then put this number at the top, 602. Then use this sign. Then you have to write this number 307 at the down. Okay, now look here, we have 602 at the top, and then we have to subtract 307, right? So in 100 place we have 6 and 3, but in tens place we have 0. In both the place we have 0, and here we have 2 and 7. So what we have to do, here we have both zeros, so to make it 10 we have to carry 1, we have to borrow or carry 1 from here. So when you carry 1 from here, it becomes 5, and it becomes 10, 0 becomes 10. Now in this place we have 2, and here we have 7. Again we have to take carry, so take 1 from here, we have to take 1 from here to make it 12, right? So when you take 1 from here, 10 becomes 9. Okay, so now we will subtract this. In this way you have to solve this type of sums. So 12 minus 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. Now 9 minus 0 is 9. Now 5 minus 3, 4, 5, 2. Okay, so the answer is 295. So now compare this number with this number. So here we have 388 and here we have 295. So which one is greater than which one? This one is greater than this one. So that's why we have to put this greater than sign. So in this way solve question number B. This is your homework. Now come to question number 3, fill in the missing numbers. Okay, now we have to do fill in the missing numbers. Okay, we have to solve the sums and fill these boxes. Now first is 443. We have to subtract 443 to 213. So write H2O, then 443 minus 213. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 230. 3 tens, 0 ones. 230 means 200, 3 tens and 0 ones. Okay. Now question number B. Here we have 3 digit, here also we have 3 digit. First is 453. We have to subtract 453 to 382. So write H2O, then put this number according to their place. 4 in 100 place, 5 in 10s place, 3 in 1s place. Subtract 3 in 100 place, 8 in 10s place, 2 in 1s place. Now we have to subtract the 1s place first. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now here in 10s place, 5 at the top, 8 in the down, so it is the bigger number. So what we have to do, we have to take carry 1, so 5 becomes 15. Now after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. Now this carry 1, it becomes 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 0, 7, 1. That means 0, 100, 7 tens, 1 ones. So this is, in this way you have to do this sum. So question number C is your homework. Now we will do exercise 6.6. Okay, first question is subtract and check by addition. First we will do the subtraction, then we will check with the help of addition whether the answer is correct or not. Okay. So our first question is 256 minus 74. Now here we have 3 digit and here we have 2 digit. So write this 3 digit at the top. 256 minus, now write this one, 74. Now check that 1's place. 6 minus 4, 5, 6, 2. 5 minus 7, here 5 is the is smaller than 7, so you have to make it 15. 7, 15 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8, this one come here, and 2 minus 1 is 1, and here we have nothing, that means 0, that means we have to put 1. That is 256 minus 74 is 128. Now we will check by doing addition. So for that, first what we have to write? We have to write this answer at the top. That is 182. Then put the plus sign. Then we have to write this 74 here. And we have to find out which number, this one. If this number will come at the when we answer in this answer, then that means this sum is correct. Okay. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 8 plus 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we got the answer 256, here the answer is 256. That means this question, this answer is correct. Now in this way you have to do this type of sums. Okay. Now I will show you another sum, that is question number 4. 917 minus 165. So in both the sides we have 3 digit numbers. First we have to write this one, 917 subtract 165. Now check the 1's place, 7 at the top, so after 5, 6, 7, 2. Here we have 1 and here we have 6. So 1 is smaller than 6. So what we have to do, we have to take carry, it becomes it becomes 11. So 11 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. Now when you subtract 9 from that 1, it becomes 8. 8 minus 1 is 7, 752. So here we got the answer 752. Now what we have to do, we have to check this. For checking, what we have to do, first write this answer here at the top. $752 plus, now you have to write this second number here. 165. Now we will do the addition. 5 plus 2, 7. Now here we have 5 and here we have 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1. Now we have carry 1 here. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So here we got the answer 917. Here we have 917. That means this is correct. Okay. So in this way, do question number 2 and 3 in your home. This is your homework. Now come to page number 78, exercise 6.7. Okay, now we will do exercise 6.7. Here the first question is find the sum of the addends and then subtract the addends from the sum. Now we know how to check subtraction. Now we will do addition. Okay. So question number 1A. Question is 263 plus 327. We have to find out the sum of this question. Okay. So first we have to check the ones place. So 3 plus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 0. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 590. Now after doing this, what you have to do, you have to do the subtraction also. So this number you have to write here at the top. So 590 is the answer. Write 590 according to their place. Then use the subtraction sign. Then after this, what you have to do, you have to write the first number of the addition. Okay, 260. That means 263 here, the down. 263. So you have to subtract 590 from 263. Okay. 590 minus 263. So here we have in ones place 0 at the top, then 3. 0 become 10. 10 minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7. Carry 1. 8. 8 minus 6, 7, 8, 2. Now there is no carry. That means 5 minus 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. 327. We have got the answer. This one 327 here. Okay. Now again we have to subtract from where? From this 590 with this 590 and 327. Okay. Now again do the subtraction. 590 minus which one? 327. That this answer. 590 minus 327. Now first we have to check which one? Ones place. So 0 becomes 10 in ones place because 7 is bigger than 0. So 10 minus 7 is 8, 9, 10. 3. This carry will go there and it becomes 8. So 8 minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. There is no carry. Now so 5 minus 3 is 2. So we got the answer 263. Is it here 263? Yes, it is here. So that means this process is correct. Okay. Now I will show you another sum, that is question number D. (911 plus 68). Okay, now 911 plus 68. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. And here is nothing. That means 0. so we have to put the 9. So there is no carry, no need to write anything, okay, in the box. Now what we have to do, we have to, after doing the addition, we have to do the subtraction, okay. So for that, first write H2O, then take this number and put it here at the top, 979, then put the sign, minus sign. Then what you have to do, you have to write this number here, okay. So 911. Now you have to subtract this number. So 9 minus 1 is 8, 7 minus 1 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0. So we got the answer 68. Is it here? Yes. So after this, what we have to do, we have to do another subtraction to check another number. So for that, again you have to write this number here, 979, then use subtraction sign. Then with that, whatever the answer you got in after doing this subtraction, write this answer here and subtract it. So 9 minus 8 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, and there is nothing, so that means 9. So 911 is there? Yes, it is there. So that means these sums are correct, okay. So in this way you can check whether the numbers are correct or not. So question number A and D I have done. Question number B and C is your homework. Do this, B and C in this way, okay. Now come to question number 2. Now our question is, we have to write true or false, okay. So first question is question number A. If 435 plus 234 equals to 669, then 669 minus 435 equals to 234, and 669 minus 234 equals to 234. Is it true or false? We have to find out this. So in this previous way I have told you how to do this type of sums. First we will do the addition, then we will do the subtraction, again we will do the subtraction, okay, by using different numbers. So our first number is 435 plus 234, both are 3-digit number. So write H2O, first this one 435, use the plus sign, then 234. Now 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 2, 6, 669. We got the answer 669. That means up to this it is correct, right? So after this, what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So first we have to write this answer here at the top. Now we have to subtract this one, okay. So 669 we have written, then use the subtraction sign, then 435. Now 9 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 6 minus 3, 3, 6 minus 4, 2, 234. The answer is right. Up to this we got the right answer. Let's check another one, the last one. Here we have 669, we have to subtract 669 from 234. So again write H2O, write 669 minus 2, 3, 4. Now 9 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6 minus 3, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 435. Look here, up to this we have we found the answers are right, the answers match with each other, but in the last portion here we the answer is 234, but when we subtract these numbers the answer is 435, so it's not matched, right? So that means this question is wrong. So here the answer is false. So in this way you have to find out. Now question number C. if 135 plus 202 is 337, then 337 minus 135 equals to 202, and 337 minus 135 equals to 202. So we have to find out whether it is true or false. So first we will add these two, and we have to check this one whether this answer will come or not. So for that, first write H2O, then 135 plus 202. 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 0 is 3, then 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 337. Here the answer is 337. That means these two match with each other. Up to this it is correct. Now we will check this 2. So again write H2O, then put this number 337 minus 135. Now let's see whether this answer will come or not. 7 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 1, 2. We got the answer 202. Here also we have 202. That means up to this it is correct. Now we'll check the last one. Okay. So 337 minus 135. Again we have to write H2O. First is 337. Then 135. 7 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 1, 2. We got the answer 202, and here also we have 202. That means this sentence is true. So the answer is true. Okay, in this way do rest of the sum, that is question number B and D. This is your homework. Now we will do question number exercise 6.8. Okay, now we will do exercise 6.8. Solve the following word problems. Number 1. Dia wants to make 425 paper stars. She has made 250 paper stars. How many more paper stars does she have to make? So Dia wants to make 425 paper stars, and she already made 250 paper stars from 425. So how many more paper stars she have to make? So for that you have to do in this way. Okay, this is a word problem sum, so you have to write the sentence. So first write, Dia wants to make 425 paper stars. She made 250 paper stars. So we are doing this subtraction. So 425 minus 250 is 175. So answer is 175 more paper stars she have to make. So in this way do these sums. Number 1. Now question number 2 is your homework. Question number 3. A shopkeeper had 634 packets of chips. Out of these packets he sold 520. How many packets were left? So a shopkeeper have 634 packets of chips. Okay, so from that he sold 520 packets of chips. So how many packets that shopkeeper have left with him? So this is a subtraction. So first write, a shopkeeper had 634 packets of chips. Then in next line, he sold 520 packets of chips. We are doing subtraction, so that's why we have to put subtraction sign, minus sign. Then subtract this, the answer will be 114. So answer is 114 packets were left. So in this way do the question number 2 and question number 4. This 2 is your homework. Now we will do question exercise 6.9. Okay, now exercise 6.9. Question number 1. There are 578 pets on a farm, out of which 187 are cows. So in a farm there are all total number of pets are there 578. Okay. From that 187 are cows and 169 are goats, and rest of the pets are hen. So how many hens are there? We have to find out how many hens are there. So first, this is a word problem sum again, so you have to write in this way. So first write, total number of pets on a farm equals to 578. Then number of cows equals to 187. First we have to subtract total number of pet with cows, okay, total number of cows. So the answer is 399. After that, what we have to do, we have to write here number of pet left is 391. Then number of goats, how many goats are there? There are 169. So from 391 we have to subtract 169. So what will be the answer? 222. That means 222 is are the hens. So this is the answer. What you will write in the answer? There are 222 hens. Now question number 2. Naman sold 308 pens on Wednesday. He sold 129 fewer pens on Tuesday. How many pens did he sell altogether? So on Wednesday, Naman sold 308 pens, and on Tuesday he sold 129 pens. So altogether he sold how many pens? So first write Naman sold 308 pens on Wednesday. He sold 129 pens on Tuesday. So we have to find out the altogether. Okay, that means altogether means addition. So 308 plus 129 is 437. So altogether he sold this number of pens. So answer is 437 pens he sell altogether. Now question number 30 homework. Now I will show you question number 4. Meher had 305 pencil and Geeta had 482 pencil. How many pencil did Geeta have more than Meher? So Meher have 305 pencil and Geeta had 482 pencil. So we have to find out Geeta have how many more pencil than Meher. So for that, write Geeta had 482 pencil, Meher had 305 pencil. So this is a subtraction. Okay, so put the minus sign, then subtract these two numbers. Then the answer is 482 minus 305 is 177. So the answer is Geeta have 177 more pencils than Meher. So in this way, do question number 5 and 6. Question number 3, 5 and 6. These 3 questions are your homework. Do it in your home. So this much for today. Thank you.